Hello YouTubers, it's Katarina here. Welcome back to my channel. I actually do have a nickname, so you can just call me Arena. That's the name that I go by. So I am so excited for today because I wanted to create another really nice makeup look for the summer. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my lip color. I'm gonna apply some concealer on my lips. I don't have any primer. Actually, you know what? Let me just turn the camera a little bit this way. Okay, I actually don't have like any primer, and I prefer to do looks that are a little bit more simplified, not so much with like contour and like baking or like doing or like, you know, all this other stuff that has come out. I really like to keep it simple for the most part, and I'm using NYX concealer palette, Conceal, Correct, and Contour. This concealer is interesting because when you put it on, it feels really creamy and a little bit oily, but it dries, so and then it feels matte. So I really love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my lip colors. I bought this off of Misha, which is a Korean beauty website, and I love their products. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips a little here, and I love this color too. And the reason why I'm starting off with a lip color is because it's much easier for me to match like my makeup with my lip color rather than trying to find a lip color that matches with my eyeshadow makeup. So yeah, we're gonna start off here, you guys. Okay, so how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's having an amazing week, a beautiful week. Oh my gosh, it's been so warm where I live. It's so nice. I love it. I'm gonna use In a Trance with so make sure you check out my other videos, but I'm gonna go with a blue. I'm gonna go with the blues and maybe the silvery colors here. I also have my Sailor. Okay, so let's see what I can create. Probably something, hopefully something like really fun and everything for you guys. Okay, here we go. I'm excited. Okay. I'm really simple, you guys. I don't have like all of these makeup brushes. I just, you know, I'm just like good with one kind of eyeshadow brush. I'm very simple in that way, you could say. So look at this color, you guys. It's like cotton candy. I love it. It's called Future Self. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what kind of futuristic look I can create. Oh my god. Okay, so there's like fallout there, but it could, so let me just try tapping it. I don't really, honestly, like, if there's fallout, there's fallout. It's not like a big deal to me. I just go in and clean it afterwards, so.
I really enjoy like makeup, and everything. I really do enjoy it. Really want to just
Like a lot. Oh wait, actually I didn't order makeup palettes from Colourpop, but I know they're having a sale right now, and I did order a bunch of Disney princess lip colors, and they also have like a Snow White color, and I love Snow White. She's like my favorite Disney princess. I love Snow White. I wish it was more popular, but I feel like it's one of those that gets forgotten about. And take my brush, that same color, I'm gonna scoot it up here.
yeah, see that? Okay. Yeah, just gonna take it up a little bit more. It's so crazy how time flies by, like when you're filming or like recording, because the camera says I'm 7 minutes in, and it doesn't really feel like it's been 7 minutes. This shimmer sparkly
Color, it's so hard to describe. It's like a lavender, neon, white, blue, sparkly color. Oh my god, just dipped the wrong color in on my finger. Oh god. You know what? I don't think I can use that finger because I think that's the one that I used to apply the Bengay. So anyways, there we go. I'm gonna tap it there. This one is called Clarity. Oh my gosh, you guys, I always forget to tell you the name of the eyeshadows that I'm using. I'm so sorry. I'm sure I'll get better at that eventually, so be patient with me. Okay, so what do you guys think? Let me close my eyes because my eyes are getting like really irritated. I don't know if they're dry, but you can tell like they're red. I really hope I'm not allergic to Colourpop because, you know, I really like them. So then after this, I want to go in and add some dimension to the look. It's this color all over my eyelid. It's this color here, and I use this color up here. I'm gonna use this color. It's called Transcendence. I'm gonna use that color here, like just dab it in there. And this would definitely be a lot easier if you have like a little eyeshadow brush that you can use to dip it in here. Just gonna use my finger for now. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Nothing too overwhelming because of the shape of my eyes, like I have hooded eyes. I don't want to close my eyes, you know, I want to open them up. So I'm gonna add a little bit here too. And just a little bit to create that dimension between all of the colors, if you know what I mean. Okay, so in person it looks really like pastel. I love it. I love pastels. This is the first time ever I've worn pastels. I know it became a trend like a couple years back, but I never actually bought any makeup palettes because I was always so busy like working and stressed at work, and I just never really did my makeup really, except for like neutral looks. So it's fun to finally get to experiment. And you know, what I've realized throughout all of this is that you really need to have fun and to not be scared of, you know, what other people think. If you're trying like any new makeup looks like I am, like you just have to embrace yourself and embrace your creativity and what you want to do, you know. So yeah. Okay, the next color that I want to use, I want to go in with a purple. I'm gonna go in with Mind's Eye, which is this kind of color. It's this one right here. So can you guys see that? I don't know if it's possible that maybe the lighting is hurting my eyes, but my eyes, like you guys can see, they're like really irritated. Yeah.
Kind of feel like they want to close in a way. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Okay, and then I want to add a little bit of the same color up here somewhere. Oh god, maybe I'll add it more towards like the outside corners of my eye. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just making sure that I washed off all the Bengay from my hands before I, you know. Okay, I'm just gonna apply a little bit, like not all over my eyelid, but just like a little tiny square of my eyelid because I don't want to take away the rest of my other makeup, so you guys can see, right? Oh my god, I'm so proud. Oh my god, I love it. you know, with the lipstick, it doesn't look like it's too much. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'll get really close up, but you guys can see. This is the CoverGirl. Oh my god, I ruined it. It's a CoverGirl Color Stay. It's like, guys, it's bleeding a little. Oh. So it's definitely not gonna look like a perfect line. What happened here? Oh my god, you guys. Do you guys see that? I messed up. I messed it up. Shoot. Okay. Oh my. Yeah, you guys, I just... And it doesn't help if like my hands shake, right? Oh fudge. Eyeliner is so hard for me. How does that look? Here, I think I need to make this way thicker. Match the other side, unfortunately. Hopefully it doesn't bleed. Okay, there we go. There we go. Thank you guys for bearing with me. I'm gonna go in with my mascara using the Bare Minerals Lashtopia, and I love the brush on this mascara, you guys. Look at that. It's like nice because it's thick. But I will say it's not waterproof and sometimes it gets in my eye, so I don't like using this mascara like a lot. I think I actually quit using it, but for the purposes of this makeup tutorial, oops, guess I'll add some down here too. Guys, so I think that is it for the most part. I mean,
you definitely want to go ahead and clean that up if you have any areas to clean up. Oh my god, what is that?
what do you guys think? My eyeliner probably sucks, doesn't it? Oh well, I'm sure I'll get better at it eventually. What I like to do too, so that like the lip color doesn't look too matte, I like to go in with my lip balm. Oh my god, I have pink on it. So let me, oh god, that's pretty. What do you think, everyone? What do you think, everyone? Do you like the makeup look? Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I have so many other makeup looks that I want to do for you. I am waiting to get 2 big beauty makeup hauls in the mail from Morphe and Colourpop. They are both having a sale right now, so yeah, so go ahead and check it out, and thank you guys so much always. Okay, take care, you guys. Have a good week. I will see you next time. Bye.